Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Clock Widget is not updating after update and Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that after updating your software, your Clock Widget is now not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app, go to software update section, and here just try to check for updates to check if there will be any pending software update available, because sometimes it might be due to any technical error or any software issue. Your software update doesn't install correctly, so you just have to retry to check for updates. If your software is updated but you're still getting the same issue, so you can try to find your clock app here, put a long press on your clock app, click on this info button, and here just scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and then you can also try to clear data. And once you have done, now just go back from here and just reopen your clock app. So it might fix your issue. If it doesn't work for you, just close your clock app from background, give a long press on your clock app, click on this info button, click on this force stop icon, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your clock app, you may see this type icon over here that your clock app is not working. You just have to scroll down and click on this power icon, click on restart, click on this reset icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.